We got loser side top 8, Bird Brain versus Kaiju.
Alright, I've Kaiju going Marth, as always.
Yep, and Bird Brain with the classic Fox pick. You know, kind of a melee-esque matchup.
You know, you're right, they say a lot about this matchup.
Yeah, they say a lot about this matchup in that game. Right now, Kaiju has a bit of the lead right now, trying to do some up tilts. It's a fair... Oh, no tech? Yeah, you're gonna die there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I sing many praises of Marth up tilt.
Yep. It's that and it's F smash. Those are two big spammable moves for sure.
And the reward for F smash is so good.
It is, honestly. Alright. Not able to get that back air that he wanted, and now Kaiju's gonna deal a sweet 30-something, and then get a throw up air. Oh yeah, that's a big F smash. Ooh. Another one!
Oh, yeah.
Shout outs to the McDouble. Alright, gets it back air into the grab, and just kind of drops it there. Alright, picking it back up. Up air. Up air. One more?
The up airs, don't tell me that's a stack.
Another one? There we go.
Wow, back to back, 0 to death.
Yeah, Smash is flying by, honestly.
I'm good. Nah.
Yeah, he's looking for something. Gets the up tilt, up tilt.
The trusted up tilt.
Yeah. This is the up tilt that will win him the presidency.
Up tilt combos and the up tilt and the aerials, and then it kills. It's a perfect move.
Yeah, honestly. Really a big just everything move. Alright, Bird's gonna go to ledge, gets a...
Ooh, that could have been an F smash, and it was.
Yeah. So Kaiju right now, up 2 stocks to 1 on this Fox. On PC as well, which is a stage that Fox bangs really favor. And that I always try and tell people, hey, don't start here, because this is very, very good for Fox. In spite of that, though, Kaiju is making this work. So... Oh, wow, reverse hit F smash.
Sending that way. Yeah, it could have been over right there.
Yeah. It's the fair. Alright, look for an F smash there. He's just looking for an F smash here at 50. Alright, almost got it this time.
Really fishing going.
Okay, he's off stage.
There's a little bit of a mix-up when it comes to the Dancing Blade. You're not sure how many Marth is gonna do.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he really is just looking for an F smash right here.
Oh, okay, I was expecting F smash. Up tilt?
Yeah. Well, there's
I think we're getting towards up tilt %.
Well, Fox is a fast faller, so... Oh, wow.
Yeah, I was lined up.
Yeah. Kaiju just gonna take that first one there.
I mean, both players are very volatile. They're easily capable of removing stocks quickly.
Yep. So let's look in here. Game 2 on Battlefield. Also a stage that I think Fox likes, but more universal than PC. And the up tilts are getting started.
Oh.
Oh wow, barely missed that F smash. I feel like
I know Roy is not in this game, but I really do appreciate the floatiness of Marth. It feels so good.
Yeah.
To chain together the sword aerials.
Yep. Oh wow, nice.
Ooh, and the F smash.
And the second one to close it out. Bird not really able to get anything going. Just downer, F smash, another F smash, but it whiffs. And the up smash from Bird. Nice back air, and just keeps looking for F smashes. Just some more whiffed F smashes there.
I mean, I do get it. I have the Marth brain, so once you're in F smash distance,
I am beginning to see the game plan.
Ooh, Ooh. Could have maybe comboed more from that platform, probably trying to bait an option.
Yep.
Very even percents right now. The back air. Kaiju's going to up B early.
It's another back air. Back air.
And Bird Brain being
Nice
very
short
cognizant of these F smashes, which he knows they're going to come out.
Yep. Alright, there's the up tilt. That's gonna kill. Alright, a little bit of extra credit here. Up throw, up air, that will do it.
Bird Brain is consistently able to close the gap.
Yeah. Making it a
Very
very close
even.
game.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh man, that
Ooh,
didn't
that's
necessarily
hipper.
send the best angle, but
Okay, good mix up, but still going to get hit with that up tilt.
it's like he can cover just about every angle of Fox up B, honestly. What it seems like to me. Oh, oh he
Forward. Oh, smash is
almost.
so close to hitting.
Yeah.
Kaiju's
Another one,
definitely
he just
looking
keeps
forward.
going to the platform. He keeps getting knocked there. It's crazy.
Tilt, up tilt.
A counter?
The
And
counter-
it worked?
That mix up. Whoa.
Damn! Damn.
Ooh.
Damn, that's crazy. Holy crap.
And again, Marth is a very popular casual pick because he has such a good game plan.
Yeah. Almost. He... Almost again? Oh no, he's off stage without a jump. He might be dead here. Yep. And it's last stock again.
If you have an intuitive sense of how the game works and you mash up tilt and you're somewhat good at spacing, you probably have a really good Marth.
Yeah. Very fundamentally strong and sound character. Alright,
Ooh,
back
that
air.
could have
Oh.
been F. I was expecting F smash on the platform.
Yeah, me too. Bird getting in a little more damage. Can he bring this back?
Alright, good.
Oh,
Ooh.
wow!
Whoa,
Up smash!
smash.
On
Huh.
top plat? Okay, I see you.
That was a risky up smash to go
Yeah. F smash.
Up.
Not
for. Did
gonna
not
kill
dipper.
yet.
Ooh. This is probably dead. Yep.
Yes, yeah.
Once Fox has to do the Firefox, it's basically over.
Yeah, when he doesn't have that mix-up anymore, it gets really tough.
Now up 2-0.
Mm-hmm.
Looking pretty good for Kaiju.
Yeah. And we're gonna go to Yoshi's.
Under triplat. Triplats have been working pretty well for Kaiju. The platforms give a lot of opportunity for tech chases and F smashes.
Yeah. But
What?
he does get a kill very quickly right there.
Opening kill. And platforms can also work out very well for Fox.
Yep, for sure.
Alright. Okay, going for tipper F smashes when Fox is at 0. Cool.
I mean, it's Yoshi's, it's a small stage, it could work.
Okay, Fox
I see
recovery,
the
I
vision.
guess.
I mean, getting Fox off stage is just the prerequisite to killing him, you know?
Ooh.
The issue is, though,
Okay.
this is, like, one stage that Fox mains really do love, also. Just because, you know, it's small, so he doesn't have to worry about his recovery being bad and exploitable. And you can kill off the top pretty easily if you can get onto those platforms. So, Foxes love this stage. Oh, just mistimed it. Nice
I mean,
back
Marth
air.
can be really hard to edgeguard. That's a big hitbox on the Dolphin Slash.
Yeah. It's just a matter of timing when you get to ledge, mostly.
I mean, having a good disjoint at ledge
Yeah,
is
it's really
preferable.
strong. Oh, that
Ooh,
misses.
yeah.
Up B out of shield.
Nice.
It's a back air there.
Forward tilt, okay.
He's still gonna live.
Mixing
There's
it
the
up.
Attack, down tilt.
Ooh, try to go for some combo there.
Yeah, just right now, all this extra credit from Bird is doing wonders. Back air. Gets him off stage. The
Ooh,
shield
okay.
breaker? A second!
Two of them.
Okay.
A 3 up tilt in a row. I don't think. I can't emphasize enough how good of a move that is. Anyway, moving on.
Yeah.
Okay. A little bit greedy there. 3 in a row.
Nice shorten. He's been doing those all set. Down smash.
Okay, good. Use of timing there.
Alright, nice. The high recovery.
Ooh, that was a nice sequence by Kaiju.
Wow. Okay, so Kaiju gonna bring it down to 2-1.
I would say it's not impossible. Ooh, yes. Kaiju's getting a bit better at mixing up the timings, trying to bait out options from Bird Brain.
Oh, wow,
yes.
He just held it.
Okay. Bird Brain shielded there. That could have been a suck.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, that is the stock though.
Okay, very little damage on Kaiju. Very doable.
Yeah. For the 3rd game in the row, it is last stock.
And Marth is really good at chaining together those aerials. Okay, bit of a trade there. This
is almost where Kaiju could end it, you know. Just one F smash, which he is looking for.
Yeah. Up tilt, up tilt.
Oh, down. He fell through the platform. And that F smash nearly did it. Oh my gosh.
F smash, up tilt, F smash.
You just can't get complacent if you're Bird here. You could die. High recovery. Wow.
Okay, good.
Oh my gosh. They're both just looking for one smash attack.
There
we go.
Where's the combo?
There we go. Drill up smash. That will
very scary for Bird Brain. Kaiju could have very well just randomly killed.
Yeah. That very much could have just been it. So let's see in game 4 what Bird has here. We're going to Dreamland. Not exactly the stage he wants. He's gonna start off with some lasers, and Kaiju's gonna press up and the attack button. Down there, up tilt, F smash.
Up tilt, up to forward smash.
Oh wow.
Oh yes.
That's big. That's big. And another F smash, and that's gonna take that first stock again. You know, the last 2 games that Kaiju won, he had this sort of explosive start.
I've noticed both players haven't really been teching, and it's been the bane for both of them.
Yeah. That is something to consider for sure. Dash attack.
Okay, good.
Whiffs a grab. That could have been up throw up air. Not sure if it would have killed on this stage, but that's a big miss there from Bird. He's gonna get the back air there. Okay, and just the up smash. So brings it to even stocks, but he is down by a solid amount of percent. A few more up tilts or an F smash tipper will kill here for sure.
And it's really easy to get overconfident and extend as Marth.
Oh wow.
Ooh.
All these neutral get-ups from Bird, it just seems like he's been neutral get-upping into like F smash pretty consistently.
You know for a fact that Kaiju is looking for that F smash. He is counting on the neutral get-up.
Yeah. Double up air? Okay,
that's
gonna kill you. He recovers low though, like way too low. And it's even stocks.
Very much of a miscalculation there.
Yeah.
Bird Brain's gonna get down, not landing too much damage.
That drill does so much, oh my gosh. He went from 27 to 43. And that wasn't even like the full drill. It's like Snake Nair in Ultimate, dude.
Yoshi down air does so much damage. And Snake.
True. Yeah, Snake down air too. That's more what I meant, actually, thinking about it. Well, how much does Nair do?
From which character?
Snake Nair.
I wouldn't say that much. It's not the move they go for all the time.
It's like 20 or something in like 4 hits, though, right? Oh my gosh,
I would imagine
that
so.
F-smash. Kaiju one stock away yet again from... Oh my gosh, and it's last stock again! They just cannot do anything but go last stock. Alright, Bear Shine. He has the lead for now, you know.
Ooh, okay. Trying to go for another one directly on shield, going unpunished there.
Yep. So much damage right there. Kaiju gets a fair back hit of F smash. Not gonna do anything. Oh, mistimed the F smash. Whiffs a grab there. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, I was expecting another forward smash.
Yeah, there's an F smash. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh, no
wow.
tech there, and that cost
wow.
bring the set.
Yeah. He hit him with a fair out of Bird Brain's up smash. That up smash, if it connected, surely would have won him the game. And then he hits an F smash on Bird, just not teching. Wow. Alright, Kaiju moving on with a 3-1 win. Good stuff.